Hello dear children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Stay home, stay safe. In our last class we had a discussion on evaluation of the limits when the given trigonometric functions. So in this class I am going to discuss about very important problem on limits when the function is split into more than one function, especially in the case of mod x, modulus function, greatest integer function, signum function, like that. Okay, limits of special functions. I'll go with the first problem. Problem number 1. Here we have to find limit of the function f of x when x approaches to 1, where f of x is equal to x square minus 1 if x is less than or equal to 1, and that function becomes minus x square minus 1 when x greater than 1. It means when the value of x is less than or equal to 1 or completely left to the 1 and including 1, the function reduces as x square minus 1, and the function becomes minus x square minus 1 when x is greater than 1. It means right to the 1. Remember, here the function changes its nature at x is equal to 1. So here we have x is equal to 1. So this is the 1 means left to the 1 or at x is equal to 1, the function is x square minus 1, and when x exceeds 1 andre x admele very next to the 1, the function becomes minus x square minus 1. It means function changes their nature at what? X is equal to 1. Artha aita makla? Here we need to find limit as x approaches to 1. So whenever you get this kind of problems, here we have to evaluate both left hand limit as well as right hand limit. Both, whenever limit exists, both left hand limit as well as the right hand limits are exist. Their exist means here there must be finite quantity. If they are finite, then they are equal, then limit exists. Even though both left hand limit and right hand limits are exist, but they are not equal, in that case limit does not exist. When limit LHL is equal to infinity and RHL is equal to some quantity, that is a 5 and 3. Here limits are not equal, and for LHL does not exist, in that case also limit does not exist. Limit exist means here both left hand limit exist as well as right hand limits are exist, and they are equal. Equal to what? A finite quantity. Okay, we discuss about these problems. And remember, so when we are finding LHL and RHL, directly we can apply the limit, or else remember another definition of limit. LHL and RHL ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. LHL is equal to RHL is equal to a finite quantity. LHL generally we do not limit as x approaches to, suppose we take that as a minus ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ of f of x. Similar for this one, limit as x approaches to a plus of f of x is equal to a finite quantity. So this is one form, or else another form with having h term. H is very small minute quantity. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, replace x is equal to a minus h, and here replace x is equal to a plus h. This becomes limit as you know, when x approaches to a means here h approaches to 0. H approaches to 0 of f of a minus h is equal to limit as x approaches to h approaches to 0 of what? F of a plus h. This is the method. Just for RHL replace x is equal to a plus h, and for LHL replace x is equal to a minus h. This is the method. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ either go with first or second method. In both the cases we get the solution. So better to follow first one. This step 2 is not that much of important. So better to follow first one. You can directly apply the limit there. Okay. Now discuss about this problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. So what they given the function? Solution given f of x, the function f of x is equal to x square minus 1 if x is less than or equal to 1, and this is minus x square minus 1 if x is greater than 1. You have to find both left hand limit as well as right hand limit. Consider LHL, left hand limit. Left hand limit is equal to limit as x approaches to, here we have to find the limit at x is equal to 1 means here for LHL becomes 1 minus, we are approaching from left to the 1 minus of f of x. And then when x approaches to 1 minus means here the value of x is little bit less than 1. Little bit less than 1 means what is the function ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ x square minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, function becomes x square minus 1 if x is less than or equal to 1. When x is equal to 1 the function is x square minus 1, when x is less than 1 in that case also function is x square minus 1. So therefore f of x ಏನಾಗಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x square minus 1 is equal to limit as x approaches to 1 minus of, this becomes x square minus 1. So now apply the limit directly here. This x is replaced by 1, therefore 1 square minus 1, 1 square is 1 minus 1, we will left with 0. Therefore LHL is what? 0 is a finite quantity. Therefore limit exists for left hand side here. So left hand limit is exist and the value is equal to what? 0. Value is equal to 0. Artha aita mukla? This is a method to find left hand limit. Next we have find right hand limit. And RHL is equal to limit as x approaches to 1 plus. 1 plus, okay. 1 plus ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ 1 plus means here we are approaching from right to the a. So right to the a means here the value of x is little bit very minute greater than a, greater than 1 here. So this function becomes f of x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, limit as x approaches to 1 plus of f of x. Just observe the function f of x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus x square minus 1 minus x square minus 1. So this becomes minus x square minus 1 minus x square minus 1. Apply the limit x is equal to 1 here, this is minus 1 square minus 1, this is a minus 1 minus 1, we left with minus 2. So minus 2 is also finite quantity, therefore RHL ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, RHL is equal to minus 2. Just observe here LHL is equal to 2 ಇದೆ, but RHL ಏನು ಬಂತು ನಮಗೆ minus 2 ಬಂತು. Therefore LHL is not equal to RHL. LHL is not equal to RHL, hence limit, very good, does not exist. Limit exists only if both LHL and RHL are exist. LHL exist means here it must be a finite quantity. RHL exist means here it must be a finite quantity. Here both are exist but they are not equal. Right? Limit exist means here both LHL as well as RHLs are exist and they are equal. But here they are not equal means here limit does not exist for the given function. This is the method. Okay, take a pause and note down all the things what I have written here. Now dear students, we are solving this problem using another concept, using H. Discuss here. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ terms. Similar here also LHL ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ, LHL as x approaches to 1 minus of f of x. We are replacing x is equal to what? 1 minus h here. H is equal to, just remember a minus h italva. Okay, when x approaches to 1, h approaches to 0, our limit ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ LHL is equal to limit as h approaches to 0 of f of function ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 1 minus h ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ when limit x approaches to 1 minus means here the value of x is little bit less than 1. In that case the function becomes x square minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ f of 1 minus h ತಗೊಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, that reduces as limit as h approaches to 0 of 1 minus h ಅಂದರೆ x0 place ಅಲ್ಲಿ we have to substitute 1 minus h. That's it. You have to replace 1 minus h. ನೋಡಿ, substitute h is equal to 0 here. 1 minus 0 whole square minus 1. 1 minus 0 ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ? 1 square minus 1. This is LHL. Therefore LHL is equal to what we reduces there? LHL is equal to 1 minus 1 is 1 minus 1. LHL is equal to 0. 0 is a finite quantity here. And we have to check for RHL, and RHL is equal to limit as x approaches to 1 plus of f of x. Whenever 1 plus means here the value is greater than 1. So directly we can apply the functions, or else go with the h form. So x can be written as 1 plus h. When x approaches to 1, h approaches to 0. This becomes RHL is equal to limit as h approaches to 0 of f of 1 plus h. Okay. What about function then? When x approach greater than 1, the function becomes minus x square minus 1. So this becomes limit as h approaches to 0 of, replace x is equal to what? 1 plus h here. That becomes minus of 1 plus h whole square minus 1. Replace h is equal to 0 here. What will left there? RHL is equal to minus of 1 plus 0 whole square minus 1. This is a minus 1 of whole square minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, that becomes minus 2. This is RHL. Just remember, in a previous method is also we obtained left hand limit as 0 and right hand limit as minus 2. Limit exists means both are equal, but here they are not equal. Hence LHL is not equal to RHL. Hence limit does not exist. These are the two different methods to evaluate the given limits. Okay. Just dear children, ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐದರ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Now dear students, we are moving to the second problem. Second problem ನೋಡಪ್ಪ. Find limit as x approaches to 0 of f of x, where they given a function f of x is equal to mod x divided by x whenever x not equal to 0, and this function becomes 0 whenever x is equal to 0. Just observe ಮಾಡಿ, x not equal to 0 ಇದೆ. X not equal to 0 means here either x is less than 0 or greater than 0. Numerically mod x ಇದೆ. So mod x becomes plus x when x is greater than or equal to 0, and it is minus x when x is less than 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ equal to 0 ಇದೆಲ್ಲ, it is not necessary. Directly we go with when greater than 0 as well as less than 0. Solution. Let the given function given f of x is equal to mod x divided by x if x is not equal to 0, and it is 0 if x is equal to 0. This is a function. We know that mod x becomes minus x if x is less than 0, right? And it is plus x when x is greater than equal to 0. But this is not necessary. Already we have x is equal to 0 ಇದೆ. So directly go with either x is less than 0 or greater than 0 for this function. Therefore f of x ಏನಾಗಿ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಾಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಮಾಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ನಮಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ minus x divided by x is equal to what we have minus 1. If the function becomes minus 1 if x is less than 0 and when x is equal to 0 function ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 0 and for last one when x is greater than 0 when x is greater than 0 mod x is always x therefore x divided by x is equal to 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore function takes three values minus 1 0 and 1. Minus 1 when x is less than 0 and it is 0 when x is 0 and it is 1 when x is greater than 0. Remember the function signum function, they are the same nature, right? So this is what they given the function f of x is nothing but signum function. Here we have to find the limit x approaches to 0. Okay, we'll discuss here. Consider or let LHL is equal to limit as x approaches to 0 minus of f of x. Because we need to find the limit as x approaches to 0, first we have to find left hand limit minus 1. This is minus 1. So total LHL ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ LHL is equal to minus 1 because this is a constant function here. And RHL check ಮಾಡೋಣ. RHL is equal to limit as x approaches to 0 plus alpha right to the 0 and f of x whenever x is greater than 0 the function becomes plus 1. This is a constant function. Limit as approaches to 0 plus of this is 1. So you will left it here 1. Therefore RHL is equal to 1. Just observe here LHL we have minus 1 and RHLs are plus 1. So both are not equal. One is plus 1, another one is minus 1. Here LHL is not equal to RHL. Hence limit does not exist. This for this function. Limit does not exist. The given function is nothing but signum function. This function limit does not exist whenever x approaches to 0 but when x approaches to greater than 0 1 2 3 or less than 0 minus 1 minus 2 like that in that case limit exists. Take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here. Now dear students we are moving to the next question. Problem number 3. Find limit as x approaches to 0 of f of x and limit as x approaches to 1 of f of x where f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 if x is less than or equal to 0 and the function becomes 3 into x plus 1 or 3 times of x plus 1 whenever x is greater than 0. But the given function f of x is equal to this is 2x plus 3 if x is less than or equal to 0 and is 3 times of x plus 1 if x is greater than 0. Here we need to find both limit as x approaches to 0 as well as x approaches to 1. So first we have to find for x approaches to 0 at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0 means here we have to find both LHL as well as RHL. LHL is equal to limit as x approaches to 0 minus of f of x. When the value of x is less than 0 the function becomes 2x plus 3. So this is equal to limit as x approaches to 0 minus of 2x plus 3. Replace x is equal to 0 here, that becomes 2 into 0 plus 3, that is 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. This is our LHL. LHL ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ 3. Similarly we want to find RHL. RHL is equal to limit as x approaches to 0 plus of f of x. 0 plus means here the value of x is greater than 0. The function is 3 times of x plus 1. So this is equal to limit as x approaches to 0 plus of 3 times of x plus 1. Replace x is equal to 0. 3 times of 0 plus 1. This is 3 into 1. It becomes 3. Therefore, RHL is equal to 3. Remember here. So both left hand limit as well as the right hand limits, they are exist because they have the finite quantity. And here both left hand limit as well as the right hand limits are equal, right? Therefore LHL is equal to RHL and they are equal to what? 3. Hence limit as x approaches to 0 of the given function f of x is equal to what? 3. This is the case. This is our limit. And also here we need to find limit as x approaches to 1. Now at x is equal to 1. Nodi, at x is equal to 1 means the function is same as it is. What we are 3 into x plus 1. When x is greater than 0 means here 1 is obviously greater than 0. And when we are finding LHL for at x is equal to 1, little bit less than 1 means here it is not exactly equal to 1, little bit less than 1 and near to 1. But the function changes its nature at x is equal to 1. Whenever the value of x is greater than 0 or right to the 0, the function remains 3 times of x plus 1. There is no change in the nature of the function when x is greater than 0. Therefore, when x approaches to 1 means, so the function is 3 times of x plus 1. So it means directly we go with the limit. Limit as x approaches to 1 of f of x is equal to limit as x approaches to 1 of function ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ greater than 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ we have 3 here 3 into x plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So directly we can apply the limit here. Therefore this becomes 3 times of 1 plus 1 1 plus 1, this is 3 times of 2, that becomes 6. Therefore limit as x approaches to 1 of f of x is equal to 6. This is our limit. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? For this function both the limit or exist at x is equal to 0 as well as x is equal to 1. So there is no necessity of finding both LHL and RHL because here the function remains same. There is no change in the nature of the function. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳು? Take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here. Now dear students, we are moving to the next problem. Problem number 4. Find limit as x approaches to 5 of f of x where they given the function f of x is equal to mod x minus 5. Mod x minus 5. Remember, mod x changes its nature at x is equal to what? 0 alva? At x is equal to 0. But here we are finding the limit x approaches to 5 means here there is no change in the nature of the function. So directly we can apply the limit. Consider limit as x approaches to 5 of f of x is equal to, take this as L, L is equal to limit as x approaches to 5 of, what is the function then? Mod x minus 5 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ is the function. Replace x is equal to 5 here, mod of 5 minus 5. So modulus of 5 means 5 minus 5, that becomes here 0. This is L. So L is equal to what? 0. Therefore limit of the function f of x whenever x approaches to 5, the value becomes 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ? This is the method to evaluate the limit. Okay, write down the things. Next, dear children, we are moving to the homework problem. The same thing. Find limit as x approaches to 0 of f of x where they given the function f of x is equal to x divided by mod x ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ mod x ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ mod x ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ mod x ಇಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0 ಇಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್, mod x ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ x when x is greater than 0 and it is minus x when x is less than 0. So therefore this function again split as 3 terms. One is plus 1, 0 and minus 1. When it is plus 1, when x is greater than 0. And when x is equal to 0, the function becomes 0, and if x is less than 0, the function becomes minus 1. For this function also, LHL becomes minus 1 and RHL is plus 1. Here also limit does not exist for this function. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? This is the homework question. Limit does not exist for this function because LHL and RHLs are, even though they are exist, but they are not equal. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Take a pause and write on the problem. Dear students, in this class we had a discussion on special problems on limits whenever the function is split into more than one function. Function changes its nature at particular point. And the next class also we have to discuss about rest of the problems on the same kind. Thank you all.